4 raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x is equal to 12. We have to find the value of x and only real solutions for x. So x can have only real solution. Now 4 raised to the power x, this we can write it as 2 raised to the power 2, then whole raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x. Subtract 12 from both the sides. So it is 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 2 raised to the power x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now when a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times n, and we use this property here, and alternatively we can also write it as a raised to the power n whole raised to the power m. So here 2 raised to the power 2x, we can write it as 2 raised to the power x whole raised to the power 2 minus 2 raised to the power x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now let's consider 2 raised to the power x is equal to a. In that case we have a square minus a minus 12 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, we can factorize it. We have to find two numbers whose product should be equal to minus 12 and whose sum or difference should be equal to minus a. So if we write here a square minus 4a plus 3a, it will be equal to minus a, and 4 times 3 is 12. Now take a here common, so a minus 4 plus 3 a minus 4 is equal to 0. Now two factors here are a minus 4 and a plus 3 is equal to 0. Now two solutions for a. When a minus 4 is equal to 0, in that case a is equal to 4. When a plus 3 is equal to 0, then a is equal to minus 3. Now remember we considered a as 2 raised to the power x. So when a is equal to 4, it is equal to 2 to the power x. 4 we can write 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power x. And there is an ideal rule, when a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n and a is not equal to 0 or 1, here a is 2. In that case m is equal to n. So that means here x is equal to 2. This is the value of x here. When a is equal to minus 3 and a we considered at 2 raised to the power x, that means 2 raised to the power x is equal to minus 3. Here x has no real solution and we have to find only real solution, no complex solution. Therefore x is equal to 2. Let's verify this answer. 4 raised to the power x here is 2 minus 2 raised to the power 2. It should be equal to 12. 4 raised to the power 2, it is equal to 16 minus 4, that is equal to 12. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore x is equal to 2, the only real solution. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.